Buongiorno and welcome in Cipressa. I'm Daniele Barla from Ligurian Casamare, and today I'm going to show you Villa Isabella, this amazing property with private garden, stunning location and this amazing sea view. I know outside this property is beautiful, stone, cotton floor, lush, beautiful garden. Now it's time to go inside. Welcome. The night area present 4 bedroom and 1 bathroom. I hope you enjoyed Villa Isabella video tour. If you want more information, please check in the link below and follow us.